Today I'm going to be making my super easy cheesy 3-ingredient air fryer pesto mushrooms. And the best part, these are ready in under 10 minutes. I hope you're all well. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. These really are easy, and I'm using stuff that I've got left over. I don't know about you guys, but we've always got a few mushrooms left over, half a tub of cream cheese, a pot of pesto sauce. My daughter loves it, but she'll probably only eat it once, and then we end up with this. It's got to be eaten in 2 weeks. So I came up with this recipe and I wanted to share it with you. Feel a bit guilty calling it a recipe because it is that easy. So let's dive straight in. So here I've just got some standard mushrooms. I'm using white, use whichever ones you've got left over. I've got a bowl here, and to the bowl I'm going to add some Philly cheese. I'm using full fat. Again, that's what we had in. And now I use a 2-to-1 ratio. So I tend to do 1 cream cheese. So I'm going to put a few in. So if I put 3 in, obviously adjust the quantities depending on how many mushrooms you've got to fill. I'm going to use 6 of the pesto. Again, if you don't like it as pesto-y, don't put as much in. And this works really well with either the red pesto or the green pesto as I'm using. So I want 6 of these. I think I've got enough here. 4, 5, and 6. It adds a really nice depth of flavour, the green pesto. And this is an M&S one. Never had it before, but it was really, really tasty. And then to that, some mozzarella cheese. Again, we have loads of this stuff left over. We never use the whole pack. And probably just going with a good handful again. If you like it more cheesy, add some more cheese. And I just want some black pepper in there as well, just to season it up a little bit more. And then you just want to mix that all together. That's it, filling is all mixed. Bring in the mushrooms, and I've got a dish here. You know me, I'll do anything to keep my air fryer clean so I don't have to clean it up. So I'm gonna put them straight in there. Great thing about this recipe is it is wonderful on the barbecue. I often serve this as a starter if we're having a barbecue, or as a really nice side. You can do them in your standard oven as well, obviously. I'm just using the air fryer today. It's quick, it's easy, and it works really, really well. So I'm just gonna crack on with the rest of these, and then I'll see you over at the air fryer and we can get cooking. So straight into the air fryer. And I'm gonna cook these at 200 for between 7 and 8 minutes. Again, everyone's appliances are slightly different, so adjust it. You'll know yours better than me. And there we go, we're all done. My super easy cheesy pesto mushrooms. Let's give one a try. Put a nice little bit of basil on the side there just to dress it up, make it look nice and pretty. Let's cut into one of these. Oh yeah. They are delightful. So good. I love pesto. So for me, this is a match made in heaven. But with the addition of the mozzarella and the cream cheese, and obviously the mushroom, parcel of joy. Guys, you saw how quick and easy that was. It's a real cinch to make, and I know it's a real crowd pleaser. Definitely give this one a go. Really appreciate you tuning in and watching through to the very, very end. If you like the content, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Please do like, share, and comment. If you try this, please do let me know below and let me know how it turned out. I'll leave all the details of today's easy, cheesy pesto air fryer mushrooms down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.